Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I know it's been a long time, but I'm back and I'm here with another video. This is my client and today is her birthday, and I'm just gonna do a nice glam for her so she can enjoy her birthday dinner. And right now I just filled in her brows, and now I'm using C12 in Revolution, Makeup Revolution, and I'm just concealing her brows. Okay, you guys, I've been working on another channel, and I want you guys to go ahead and show some love with the Mess with RWS. That's my other channel with my friends, and I hope you guys like our channel. It's a reaction channel. We talk about the latest news and everything that's going on. So go ahead and go check that out and show us some love. But you guys, I missed you guys. Since I've been off on my channel, I realized that I got more subscribers. So I really appreciate that. And I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I am actually trying to learn how to edit faster. It's been really hard for me, and my software that I use, it's really slow when it comes to rendering. So I've been trying to see what I can do to make it faster. So I'm working on that, but your girl is back and I'm trying to be consistent as hell for y'all because I miss y'all. But she told me she's wearing red, and so I kind of want to do like a little dark, not too dark, but like a smoky dark red kind of. And I'm sorry, this is my first time, you guys, actually recording doing somebody's makeup. So I like to go through it with you guys, and and hopefully things will get better with my next client. But right now I'm using the same concealer and I'm cutting her crease, and I'm about to glam her up right now. But you guys, I missed you guys so much. Like, I miss making videos and stuff like that. But also, I didn't forget about the Kylie's hair update. I will make a video about that hair. And now I'm just using my e.l.f. brush, and I'm just taking away the product from the concealer, and I'm just tapping that in and just making everything blend very well. Sorry. And now I'm going back in with that red, and I'm just trying to make sure everything is blended very well. Also, let me know what kind of videos you want me to post up. If you want me to do another eyebrow tutorial, if you want to learn how to do a liner, how to do your liner, if you want to learn how to apply your foundation, let me know and I'll make some videos. But other than that, I'll be posting more makeup tutorials coming your way. So I'm kind of getting good at editing now, so I'll try to be a lot faster. And now what I'm using is I'm using my Juvia's Place palette in Nubian 2, and I just took that gold shimmer shadow, and I'm just applying that as like the base before I put some glitter. I applied like some lash glue and I put it on her lid. And now I'm applying J. Lore Cosmetics glitter. And I love their glitter. Like, it's almost like, I think it's like a press. It's like a pigment, like pressed pigment glitter, I guess. I don't know, but I love it. I got, what I'm using now is white Bliss. I'm using Bliss on her eyes right now. But I bought two. I bought Bliss and I bought gold, white gold. And now I'm using these Kiss lashes and I just put them on. And as a foundation, I use Milani and Golden Toffee. And then I use the same C12 from Makeup Revolution as her concealer. And now I'm using my Insta brush and I'm just blending everything in. And then I use Blackopal's Ebony foundation stick as a contour. And I'm just using my brush and I'm blending her contour. And now I'm using my Real Technique sponge and Laura Mercier setting powder mixed with topaz, and I'm setting her face. And now I'm going under her eyes with a black pencil. And this is the final look. Guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you love this look, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.